in this question, we are expected to calculate the number of iron atoms present in a sample of iron that has a mass of 22.4 grams. So let's get straight off into the solution. Okay. We have the mass of the sample. From the mass of the sample, we can get the number of moles present. So first is to establish the number of moles. The number of moles of iron present. Number of moles. This is the first to establish. Number of moles of iron present. The symbol is N. And this is given by mass given divided by the molar mass, uppercase M. And therefore, the number of moles of iron present is going to be, we have the mass of iron, 22.4 grams divided by the molar mass of iron, which is given in the details, 56. In terms of unit, the mass present is given in grams, while the molar mass is given in gram per mole. So upon evaluation, this is going to give us 0.4 mole. So number of moles of iron present is known, 0.4. Now we know the number of iron atoms present can easily be found. Number of iron atoms present. Number of iron atoms. Number of iron atoms present can easily be found, and that is N equals the number of moles multiplied by the Avogadro's number. And of course, the Avogadro's number is provided in the details. So by substituting values, therefore, we have the number of iron atoms present is going to be the number of moles already evaluated as 0.4 multiplied by the Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 multiplied by 10 to the 23rd. And by using an electronic calculator for this, we have the number of moles of iron present is going to be 2.408 multiplied by 10 to the 23rd power. And that's our final answer. Very simple. That's the option B right there. Now, attached to this video are 2 quizzes to test your understanding of the content of this video. Attempt the questions and see how you understand this video. In addition to that, there is a link in the pinned comments that takes you to a quick test on chemical composition stoichiometry. So find the link in the pinned comment and take the test. There are 20 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. Finally, there is another link in the pinned comment that takes you to the full presentation, the full lecture on chemical composition stoichiometry. So enjoy learning and answer the questions in order to boost your understanding. Thank you for being part of the session. And of course, I look forward to seeing you in my next video.